If your MacBook display shows oily halos or contrast stains, this is Staingate and it can be fixed. First, power off and unplug your MacBook and place it on a clean, flat surface. Gather a microfiber cloth, distilled water, 70% isopropyl wipes, adhesive remover, plastic picks, and a replacement screen protector. Dampen the microfiber with distilled water until barely moist and wipe the glass in gentle circular motions. For greasy spots, apply 70% isopropyl to the cloth and blot gently, never spray directly on the panel. Inspect the screen between passes and allow it to dry fully before moving on. If adhesive remains, soften it with a small amount of adhesive remover on a cloth and lift edges slowly with a plastic pick. Use a cotton swab or cloth to roll away softened residue rather than scraping the glass. Wipe the area again with distilled water and let the screen dry to ensure no solvent remains. Align the new screen protector from one edge, lower it slowly and smooth bubbles outward with a soft card. Safety first, avoid ammonia or abrasive cleaners, do not press on the LCD, work with ventilation when using solvents, and wear gloves if needed. In short, power down, clean with distilled water, use isopropyl for grease, remove residue carefully, then install a high-quality tempered glass protector. We recommend 9H tempered glass and 70% isopropyl wipes.